Hello students, so welcome to the class. I'm Yogita. Our subject is CNET, Nursing Education for Nurses, and today we are going to discuss about counseling and guidance problems. Definitely we discussed types of counseling, advantages of counseling, what are the benefit we get from counseling. But apart from that, there are certain problems which is associated with this counseling and guidance. Now the problem exactly related to this is counseling the counselee or the individual with the different culture. Counseling the counselee or individual with the strong emotion. Counselor burnout. And one more was resistance to counseling. Now, these are the important four problems what we can encounter. Now, counseling resistant means here the patient or the counselee they say that I don't have any problem. I am normal. I don't want any counseling. Actually, they are suffering with certain problem, issues or conflicts. They are badly in need of help. But what happened? They make such sentence that I don't want, I am okay, I am completely normal. In that case, a counselor find it really difficult to do this counseling process because there will be a strong resistance from the counseling. Now, next is counseling the individual with the different culture. Nowadays, in this modern society, migrating from one place to another place is very common. Those who are in one corner, they may reach the other corner, they get settled over there, they are leading their life there. Now, definitely, when they migrate from one to another place, they may find difficulty with the new culture, trend, all the customs and all. Definitely, the job also they may find difficulties. Now, when counselor is encountering such client, now counselor is really finding difficult because what is my culture, my belief, everything is doesn't match with the counseling. Because I may be basically from India, Indian, I may encounter the person who has come from some other state, some other country. See, now his belief, his idea, thoughts are different. So I may find it difficult now. What I feel right, maybe for example, now I feel that eating non-vegetarian is not good for health. We need to consume a pure vegetarian diet. This is my strong belief. But now my patients say that eating non-vegetarian is too good, without that he cannot eat the food. See, with such conflict ideas, now I find it difficult because I'm not encountering a person whom I really know, yeah, who belongs to my region, my nation. See, this is what called a problem, counseling problem, when the counselee is having a different culture, belief. Now counselor is really not able to handle. Next is counseling the counselee with a strong emotion. Now your patient having certain strong emotions like fear, anxiety, strong depression, rejection feelings. In that case, now counselor really find it difficult to change their feelings, mold their behavior. These negative feelings are so strong that whatever you may say, they are not ready to listen because their mind is just stuck with that negative feelings. Now again counselor feel not no chance of, no scope of doing this counseling. The last one was counselor burnout. That means here, whatever you do, time adjustment, religious problem, national problem, social problem, issues, personal conflicts, some kind of strong rejectional feelings, negative feelings, with all that, a counselor is not able to cope with the counseling, cope with the patient. Even some personal factor of individual. Now, even I'm a counselor, even I'm also human being. I too have emotions. I'm also quite normal person. I too have a feelings. Now, with all these feelings, a counselor really feels tired just enough. He is not able to continue his counseling process. Now, this is called counselor burnout. Now, these are the important problem what we are facing in counseling and guidance. Now, the next phase is problem faced by the new counselors. That means the beginner. Now, I just finished my counseling course and I'm the beginner in this profession. What are the problems I face? I may face the problem of being disclosed, self-disclosure, demand from the counselee, sharing the responsibilities with the counselee, fear and anxiety, understanding the silence of your patient, making certain adjustments, environmental and personal issues. So these all are the problems where counselor is finding difficulty to deal with the counseling. Now, The problems like counselor itself, he feel that he is having a lot of fear and anxiety, inadequacy feeling, so that he is not able to continue this counseling process. He is having himself a lot of panic, anxiety, where he is not able to cope with his feelings, then he is not able to do the counseling. He is having a feeling of perfectionism. He want to be very perfect in his profession. He want everything perfect. He want to provide all kind of good qualitative care, yeah, counseling service to the patient. Most of the times it may not happen, because we need to know how to be flexible according to the condition. Now counselor is a very strict, rigid personality. He's not able to make all this adjustment, flexibility. Then he find it difficult. He's not able to meet his perfectionism. Being honest. Now he is not. What is that? He is finding difficulties that I don't know anything, because it's just impossible for everyone to know everything. But thing is that as the day goes, you need to grow with that. You need to learn, understand, improve yourself, acquire certain skills. Immediately you want to learn everything, you want to be perfect, honest, and you want to reach all the boundaries. It's not possible. Now being honest in limitation, it's not possible for some counselors. They don't want to say that I don't know. In that case, again, they find it difficulty to continue this counseling process. Now they're having a feeling of understanding the silence. It's one of the important tool, a component of counseling. Check out the previous videos. You are able to understand the tool and technique of counseling. Silence is one of the important process. Okay, there should be a silence, and you know how to break the silence. Now what happened? Now new counselors, yeah, lack of experience, they don't know how to continue and how to break this silence. Then there is no process of counseling at all. This process is not continuous, not going forward, because continuation of silence. So that will be a problem of this new counselor. Sharing the responsibilities with the client, your counselor. What happened? Now being a new counselor, they're much excited to do, so they take all the responsibility. Even the responsibility what is belongs to the client, that also is taken by the counselor. He said that okay, I will do. Now what happened here? A counselor, a client is not taking up any responsibility, all the responsibility on the head of counselor, and he will be tired at the end. He is not able to fulfill all these responsibilities. See, this is again a problem. Next, the demand from the client. Now a counselor have a feeling that I want to meet all the need of my patient. Now what happens? Patient may have n number of demands. Counselor is always trying to meet all the need of his demand. He is making all the choice, alternative thinking, all the process. Now finally he find it difficult because he is not able to cope with this client demand. As a counselor, you must know that which demand to be met and which demand you can deny or ignore. Whatever the demand made by the client, you must be firm enough to say no and yes to your client. But here, new counselor may find it difficulty with that, and he is meeting the demand, and this over demand make him to feel tired and exhausted. Okay, then client is lack with the commitment. You are asking something with the client, you do this, but the client is not doing that. Client is showing the least response towards your suggestion, yeah, whatever the work assignment is given by you. So now when there is no commitment, then client also feel loss of interest. Even the counselor also feel difficult how to make that client to do the work. This counselor don't know, then that will be a problem in counseling process. Then giving advice. Sometimes what happens, counseling is not just giving advice, or guidance is not just giving all the advice whatever you know based on your knowledge. You must know that how to open up yourself, how to provide the alternatives, give the information so that client can make their choices. But what happened here, instead of that, counselor is keep on giving all the advices to the client, so that will be a fruitless. There is no good outcome in that process. Now that again will be a problem of this new counselor. And being or getting lost with the client problem. Now counselor is so attached to the client, he is feeling for the client, he want to provide all the care and need for his client, so that he is thinking too much about client problem, and finally he feels that he lost in his client problem. He is not able to do anything because he get lost in his client problem. And being self-disclosure, it's always you should think that what to tell and what to not to tell with the client. Now client is asking something, a counselor want to provide most of the what is that care, whatever the meet the need, comfort zone, everything. Counselor is opening himself, telling all the stories which is not at all required. See, now again, the problem of this new concept, they don't know how to speak and how to handle the situation. So these all are the problems what is faced by the new counselors. So dear students, I would like to summarize. We discussed about the problems. Now problems in counseling is counseling the counselee or client with the individual difference, resistance to the counseling, counseling the counselee or individual with strong emotions, and the last one was counselor burnout. And the problem with the new counselor is, 1 minute. Okay, the problem with the new counselor is feeling too much for the client, getting lost with the client. Counselor trying to be honest, they're finding difficult. Counselor is getting giving self disclosure to the client, lot of demand from the client, lack of commitment from the client, and counselor is thinking too much for the client. Counselor is having his own feeling, fear and anxiety, giving advices, and shaping and sharing the responsibility with the client, as well as understanding the silence. Now these all are the problems what we can face with the new counselor. I hope you understood. You can expect 5 marks question, and I'm sure that now you're able to write. Thank you all.